Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change an Acura key fob battery. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is an Acura key fob, and this is the specific key fob for an Acura RDX. But many other Acura models use the same type of key fob, and the process is going to be the same. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is remove the actual physical key. So you want to slide this is the back of the key fob. You want to slide this and hold it to the side and then pull it out like that. That's how you remove the actual physical key. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to separate the front from the back of the key fob. And to do that, we're going to look right here. There's a little keychain holder, and we're going to use a screwdriver to place it between the keychain holder and the back of the key fob, and then just twist it to sort of separate it. So as you can see, I have the screwdriver. I'm going between the keychain holder and the back of the key fob. I'm pressing firmly towards the key, and then I'm going to give it a little twist, and we're going to try and separate the two parts. So as you can see right here, we've started to separate it, but you want to separate it a bit more. So use your screwdriver to separate it continually until it goes apart. And go easy with it because you don't want to damage it or anything. It's just a piece of plastic on the outside at the end of the day. So just take it easy with it. Now, what we have here is the specific the coin battery for the key fob. As you can see, it is a CR2032 coin battery, and you want to get it out easily. You can use a screwdriver just like this to pop it out. Okay, all you got to do is just wedge the screwdriver under there and pop it out. Try and be gentle with it. Then you want to replace it with a new battery for the key fob. Use the same battery, obviously the same type of battery. Once again, this is a CR2032 battery, and you want to slide it in like this, press it down like that. Make sure it's in the right orientation. You can see the positive side is facing up. Make sure it's nicely in place there. Then we're going to take the back of the key fob and place it on top of the front of the key fob. Just like that, line it up, and then squish them together to make sure that they snap in place. Just like that. Sometimes you have to kind of make sure that it's nice and straight first, and then you can sort of press it together just like that. So once you have ensured that it is together, all that you have to do is take your physical key, place it back in there, and close it. Sorry about that. You have to make sure it's really together. There you go. And then your physical key will go back in. So now it should snap back together. Just like that. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.